Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: Mt5 build, expert advisors enabled, and a demo account ready. Once done, place your EA file into the MQL5/experts folder and restart Mt5 so the platform recognizes it. Make sure to import any license or settings files the EA requires. This prevents runtime errors. You should also set chart timeframe and symbol matching the EA's docs. Finally, link the demo account and test connectivity before moving on to parameter tuning. You now configure the EA inputs precisely. Set risk percentage, stop loss, take profit, and exposure limits. Once inputs are loaded, enable auto trading and attach the EA to the correct symbol and timeframe. Then run the strategy tester with realistic tick data to simulate performance. Analyze the equity curve and trade list. If behavior differs from expectations, adjust money management or filters and retest. Make sure to watch the journal window for errors like trade context, busy, or invalid stops. You move to live only after consistent demo results. Start with a small real deposit and carefully monitor the first 10 trades. Once deployed, keep detailed logs enabled so you can trace order ID, execution times, and slippage percentages. If the EA stops or behaves unexpectedly, immediately disable auto trading. Read the journal and experts tabs for explicit error messages, then fix parameters or connectivity issues before re-enabling. If unresolved, collect logs and contact the EA developer for a target.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.